Hello, welcome back to part 33 in solving systems of equations. Here, we're going to be working on word problems with two unknown values. Simply put, two unknown values are variables, right? You have an x variable, y, sometimes z, sometimes they're a, b, c. So variables are simply a symbol of an unknown number, right? So two unknown values are variables. And with word problems, you can assign any symbol you want, but typically we use X, Y, Z, A, B, C. Just want to put that out there. So again, this is part 33 video, and we're going to work on some word problems. Let's get to work. So typically with word problems, I like to read through them multiple times. First time just to get familiar with it. Second time to pick up some information. The third time to gather and organize my data. So two numbers add up to 23. One number is 5 more than twice the other. What is the value of each number? All right, reading through it again. Two numbers add up to 23. So we have two numbers. Okay, and they add up to 23. One number is 5 more than twice the other. What is the value of each number? So I've color coordinated. Word problems are very challenging for me. And I've color coordinated these into blue, purple, and a type of teal green. All right, and I want to break this down in the next few steps to try to come up with some equations. Now, I know we're working on systems of equations, which has to do with two equations, and a lot of times it can be difficult to see. So I'd like to try to break this down using color coordination. So step one, we're going to need to define the variables, right? We need to assign a symbol for each variable. So what is the value of each number? So that's telling you that there is more than one number. So we'll have more than one variable. And once we define our variables, X, Y, Z, A, B, C, whatever that might be, we're going to write the equations, right? There's two equations here. I'm hoping you can see that in this first part of part 33 video. Okay, so that concludes part 33. In part 34, I'm going to take each of these color coordinated segments in the word problem and try to break them down so they make sense to you. And again, word problems can be difficult. All you can do is practice, 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 practice. And there are a lot of these word problems on both the HiSET math and the G.E.D math portion videos. So you just got to practice. Start off with easy, go to medium, and then difficult. So come right back. Part 44, I'm going to break these down, and then we're going to solve this word problem with two unknown values. Math is easy. Take it step by step. If I've helped you, please help me to help others. Like, follow, share, subscribe. Thank you for your time.